let's reason about something. Um, how's life? How's life? How's life?
Life good, why ask?
Like can all a big woman reason like
What?
can you all a big woman reasoning like
Yes, Jayden. But me not
alright,
think make it. Alright.
call a big woman, you know?
And what conversation about?
Why conversation can be about chat?
If you're gonna ask the chat, say why conversation, me not hold a conversation with the chat.
I will just ask them if you're not ready.
No, I'm away with the other
What kind of man I like?
Me like an independent man who take things serious. Guys, no focus. Me know.
So like body feature, like what?
Body feature. Me don't really have a body feature, but me just don't like thick man.
First triple guys, first triple.
Guys, this is the first triple for me, please.
You like see man?
Oh,
You like see?
me ata?
Yeah.
You just gonna ask me a question and me answer you go say a lie.
So you're independent?
Yes, me not like babe.
So what's your future plan?
My future plan is to open my business and build my house. I will know a further step from that.
So you not build for any house?
Eh?
You not build for any house?
No, separate. Over there. But if you dip on my YouTube channel, you will see spot what me show them.
Okay. So you want to live near Annie?
Yeah. Guys, 13 rows.
You know like big boy they pan live?
Eh?
You know like big boy they pan live?
That different.
Oh, it can't different.
Different.
13 rows, guys. 13 rows. Like a phone land or a capture land.
Eh?
Here land or a capture land.
Wait, what mainland or capture land? Capture land. How would you say? Come in not here, can rain make it, me can't hear. Guys, me can get 3 more rows. Me can't hear you. Stop. Me know it's a clown out thing.
Bro, yo, our pan play the match. Our pan play the match, guys. Fuck, what the fuck do you? Bo clown out thing. Blood clot. Fuck me a clown out. How the fuck me a clown out? Bro, me not like. I'm tapping eyes. Go on where you go, bro. Fucking chop. Me ask a question about a clown out. How that a clown out? Go on where you go, brother. Me tell you say your brain young, you know. Me tell you say you're young. You're too young, bro.
Media. Me just did it on the media for chill and everything, but you see them and something here, me not put it on the media. And if you feel like you have to go in a certain details, no, then left it there so. And maybe not the match you, and many girl out there, then can be the match. Me not play no match. Maria Jayden, me like Jayden, but sometimes me don't see like, yo bro, I disrespect, I pay disrespect, and me don't like it. Girl, I want to like woman, me not like woman. I only like woman as friend. I eat that they take care of me. Me I go come off. It's very disrespectful for true. Me nah run no joke with my person. If everybody panning me that feel like a clown or thing, and me nah do not with my life. Bro, me tired of you.
Me a try have a conversation with you, bro. Me not read no comment and I ask no question. Cause I hold a question in the comments when I could ask half I comments, bro. You see it? I'm ask for my own. So stop follow comment, brother. Kayla, go suck your mama. Go suck out the deepest part of your mama, Kayla. Me ask anything, bro. What kind of question them I can't ask on live? What kind of question me ask when me can't ask on live, bro?